Social media. You post, you wait, you refresh, and you're looking to see who's interacting with you, and nobody's doing anything. Nobody's commenting, nobody's forwarding, nobody's replying, nobody's liking, and it's like crickets, right? So why is nobody clicking or liking or commenting on your content? There's an easy way to fix that with this one simple shift. Here's what's happening. Most social media posts done by loan officers, they sound like a billboard. Rates are great. Let me help you get pre-approved. Now's a good time to buy. And that's all fine and dandy, I guess. But here's the thing. Nobody stops to read a billboard unless they're already interested, of course. And that's the problem. Social media isn't about like broadcasting. It's about connecting. It's about telling stories. If your post sounds like an ad, people are just going to scroll right past it. If you want clicks, you got to start with curiosity and start with connection. Start with something that makes people lean in and say, wait, what's this all about? So here's the fix. Use story-driven hooks or ask a question. It's been working for me great for years. So instead of like need a mortgage, try something like a first-time home buyer who almost walked away from their dream home. Here's what we did to save the deal. Now you got them leaning in. You got to tell stories. So the next time you go to post on social, remember, don't write like a billboard. Tell a story. Write like a human. Talk to them like they're sitting there in front of you and you're talking to them. If you want help crafting posts or how do you tell these stories, what's the formula for telling a story that connects, builds trust, and generates actual leads? Let's talk. Hit me up. Click the link, DM me, schedule a chat. No pressure, just real tips that actually works. Tell a story. There's actually a formula for it, and I'll give it to you.